relieving mom guilt. We need to examine what mom guilt is. Mom guilt, according to the women I've surveyed, is when they have to work and not give their kids attention when they think their kids deserve it. So keep in mind that if you're able to earn money for your children, and then you're able to give them things that they need. Being self-employed means you can create your own schedule, which means it's fine to work 60% of the time when you still can give your kids 40% of the time. All that kids really care about is that you give them at least 15 to 60 minutes of undivided attention per day. It doesn't have to be all at once. 60 minutes in a day where you're not yelling at them or telling them what to do, like their chores and their homework. You're actually generally finding out what they are interested in, how their day was, if they have any problems that they came across in school, or when they're just being good and you want to hang out, maybe read a book with them, play some toys. Of course, that's probably only relevant to people that have children that are school age. If you have children that are not school age, children younger than kindergarten, the amount of attention that you give them will already be sufficient, because children under kindergarten age, you're already giving them a ton of attention. Children underneath kindergarten age, they just require, the basics: food, clothing, and shelter. They don't need a lot of emotional attention. Older kids need that emotional and mental outlet. So just find a time where you can give that to each of your kids, and don't have mom guilt, because being self-employed is a wonderful blessing for you and your family. You can pick when you want to go on vacation. You can pick how much time you want off. You can go ahead and, it's kind of like feast or famine. There will be times where you can't give them attention on a regular basis or, consistently, but then there'll be times where you can give them a whole bunch of attention. And so it'll be fine. Don't worry about that mom guilt. Your kids know that you love them. As long as you're not yelling at them and you're giving them their basics and you're giving them a hug and a kiss and you're tucking them in at night and you're helping them get ready for school in the morning, and you're there for dinner time or for homework time, that's what they'll remember and that's what they'll love. And if your kids are younger than that, then you're already busy, cleaning up after them and changing their diapers and nursing them and taking care of everything that they need. So they will be perfectly, perfectly fine. All right, ladies, good luck with that. See you next time.